Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a Google Play gift card easily, step by step. Step 1. Unlock your Android device and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're using a computer, open your web browser and sign in to the same Google account you want to use the gift card with. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. On a computer, go to the Google Play website. Step 3. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Payments and Subscriptions. From the menu, tap Redeem Gift Code. Step 4. Take your Google Play gift card and locate the redemption code on the back. Gently scratch the silver area to reveal the code. If it's a digital card, open the email or message containing the code. Step 5. Enter the gift card code exactly as it appears in the redemption box. Make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. Step 6. Tap Redeem to confirm. Google will verify the code, and once approved, the gift card balance will be added to your Google Play account. Step 7. Your balance is now ready to use for apps, games, movies, books, subscriptions, and other content on Google Play. That's it for this guide. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step tutorials.